think for me, I really been uh, honing in on my niche and who I want those people to be that I want to get on a vacation. I
Yeah.
really been, instead of me just thinking of, like you were saying, like, well, what type of group, I never really thought about it like that before, like a type of group. But now I was just thinking like anybody that wants to come.
Anybody who wants to come, yeah. And a lot of people think of it that way too, Ganesha, is that they think about, well, whoever wants to work with me, I'll work with them. And although that's an okay approach, however, when we get into particularly today's topic, you'll realize how if you think about that person in the beginning, it just really makes the conversation and everything else that you do so much easier to think about. Again, it's a lot of people, and I sort of always pause here when I think about this, and even when trying to explain it or train on it, is, we are taught not to live within the box, right? We want to live outside the box. We want to reach as many people as we want. We don't want to exclude anybody. And when it comes to marketing, that's exactly what you want to do. You want to exclude as many noise or as much noise as you possibly can and really be able to create a message that is going to click with the very person that you want to work with. So that does mean that you do want to turn off some people. You do want to create a box. It doesn't mean that you can't have many boxes, but when it comes to marketing and when we dive into this topic today, it's really going to be about how clearly you can articulate a message for that person to say, yes, that's me, for you to start the conversation with them. So thanks for sharing that.